Can we set one single name on Facebook? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to figure out if we can set a single name on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is open up your Facebook. Make sure that your app is up to date and you're logged into your account as well. Now head over to the menu that is on the bottom right corner. Now you will need to head over to the settings. You can find the gear icon on the top right corner, or if you don't find it, you can simply scroll down in the menu and you will see settings and privacy. You can tap on that and then tap on settings. Now you will need to head over to Meta Accounts Center. Head over there and you should see profiles on the top. Tap on profiles and now choose your Facebook profile. Now here you should find your username and your name. So let us just head over to the name. Now, if you want to change your name, you can simply change it. You can remove this here. And yeah, that is how you do it. Now, if you want to use a single name on your Facebook, you will just have to leave a single name. And after you've done that, you can just scroll down. So let me just remove this here first and tap on review changes. Now, you will see that first or last name on Facebook cannot be too short. That means that you cannot leave your last name or first name empty. So we'll just try to put on spaces on the last name. So let's try that and tap on review changes. As you can see, the error still persists. So that means that you cannot actually set a single name on Facebook. The error will just tell you that your last name or first name should not be too short. And yeah, I hope this answers your question guys, and that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.